Hi there. Hope you have a fantastic day today. This lesson, I will teach you how to find the lowest common multiple of 2 or 3 numbers. Of course, there is a PDF file versions on the description below for you to download so you can work with me. Otherwise, let's go straight into it. First one, we need to work out the lowest common multiple of 3 and 5. To work this out, we can just list the multiple of 3 and list the multiple of 5, and then we're just looking for the common number. For example, we have 3 and multiple of the 3 for second one will be 6, and then followed by 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and so on. And for multiple of 5, 5, 10, followed by 15, and 20, and so on. And we know that the common number is 15. So that is the lowest common multiple of 3 and 5. So let me just write this down. So therefore, lowest common multiple of 3 and 5 is 15. There you go. Second one. So to work out the lowest common multiple of 4 and 6, so we list the multiple of both numbers first. So we have 4, we have 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and so on. For 6, the multiples are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. And we have the common multiple is 12 and 24 as well. So then we know that we need to looking for the lowest common multiple of 4 and 6. So therefore, the lowest common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12, not 24. Okay, 24 is common multiple of 6 and 4, but not the lowest. So the lowest common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12. Okay, keep that in mind. Number 3, we need to find the common multiple of 2 and 8, but then we know that 8 is multiple of 2. So we know that the lowest common multiple of 2 and 8 is 8. Otherwise, you can list them out. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. See, 8, 16. So we stop there. We know that 8. Okay. So therefore, the lowest common multiple of 2 and 8 is 8. So there you go. But then please take note. So there's a quicker way if you're good with your timetable. For example, I always list the largest number. Okay, so it's quicker. That's all. So we know that, for example, in this case here, the multiple of 8 is 8 and 16 and so on. But we know that 8 is already multiple of 2. So therefore, the lowest common multiple of 2 and 8 is 8. To work out the lowest common multiple of 7 and 9, so we can either list the multiple of 7 and multiple of 9 until we find the common numbers. Otherwise, we can just list the multiple of 9 out, and then we see the number that also multiple of 7. That will give us the lowest common multiple, okay, of 7 and 9. So the multiple of 9, the first one is 9, 18, 27, and then 36, 45, 54, 63, and that's the answer because 63 is also multiple of 7. So therefore, the lowest common multiple of 7 and 9 is 63. So there you go. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How did you go? Let me go through them with you. Before I do that, please do not forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe if you haven't done so so you can help me to grow my channel. So let's get into it. To work out the lowest common multiple of 6 and 9, so I can just list the largest number first. So that is 9, 18, and I stop here because 18 is also multiple of 6. So if you're not sure, of course, you can list them out. 6, 12, 18. See, there you go. 18. Both have the common multiple of 18. So you go, therefore, the lowest common multiple of 6 and 9 is 18. So there you go. I hope you got it correct. Number 6. So to work out the lowest common multiple of 12 and 15, let me just list the largest number out. So that is 15. So you go 15, 30, 45, 60. I stop here because 60 is also multiple of 12 because 12 times 5 is 60. So therefore, the lowest common multiple of 12 and 15 is 60. Okay. Otherwise, of course, you can just list the multiple of 12 out as well. For example, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. See, they both are the same, so you can stop there. So the lowest common multiple of 12 and 15 is 60. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How did you go? Let me go through it with you. So the multiple of 8 and 12 is, I just list the multiple of 12 out. 12, 24. And we stop here because 24 is also multiple of 8 because 8 times 3 will give me 24. So I can stop here. So therefore, lowest common multiple of 12 and 8 is 24. Okay, otherwise you can just list 8, 16, 24. So there you go. Okay, so either method you like, but if you're very comfortable with your timetable, of course you can just need to list one of them out. Okay, now for example, this one here as well, question number 8. So we have 3, 4, and 6, and we know that 6 is multiple of 3. So we just need to worry about the common multiple of 4 and 6. Okay, so that's all we need to do. So we can list either the multiple of 4 out or list the multiple of 6. So let me just start with 6. So it's quicker, that's all. So 6 and then 12, and we can stop here because 12 is multiple of 4. And we know that 6 is multiple of 3. So 12 is also multiple of 3 anyway. So therefore, the lowest common multiple of 3, 4, and 6 is 12. So there you go. Number 9. Again, we know that 2, 5, and both are factor of 10. In another word, 10 is a multiple of 2 and 5. And 10 is also multiple of 10. So therefore, we can just go the lowest common multiple of 2, 5, 10 is equal to 10. So there you go. Now, for 4, 5, and 6, so we need to list the largest one and take note because any number that are multiple of 5 must end with either 5 or 0. Okay, so now we just need to work out the multiple of 6 and have to end with either 5 or 0. But then we know that end with 5 is not multiple of 4 because 4 is even. So it have to be end with 0, right? Just something for you to think about, that's all. So let me just list multiple of 6 out. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. And 30 is multiple of 5, but then it's not multiple of 4. So we keep going. And then we go 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. So there you go. 60 is multiple of 4 because if you half of 60, give me 30. Half again, give me 15. So 15 times 4 is 60. And 60 is multiple of 5. So therefore, the lowest common multiple of 4, 5, and 6 is 60. Of course, if you cannot see this way, you list the multiple of 4, list the multiple of 5, list the multiple of 6 until you see the common number. Okay, so that's your lowest common multiple of that 3 numbers there. Okay. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How did you go? Let me go through them with you. So we need to find the lowest common multiple of 9 and 12. So I can just list multiple of 12 out. And this is 12, 24, 36. So 36 is multiple of 9 as well because 9 times 4 is 36. Otherwise, you go 9, 18, 27, 36. So there you go. So the lowest common multiple of 9 and 12 is 36. So there you go. Find the lowest common multiple of 14 and 21. So we just list the multiple of 21. So we have 21. Then we have 42, 63, and so on. And for 14, if you cannot see it, of course, we can write 14 out. We have 28, 42, and so on. And we know that the 42 is the common multiple of 21 and 14. And that's the lowest one as well, because the first one. So you got, therefore, the lowest common multiple of 14 and 21 is 42. So there you go. I hope you got it correct. Number 13. The lowest common multiple of 2 numbers is 36 and one of them is 9. So we need to find the other number. So we know that the lowest common multiple is 36. And we already know 9 is one of them. So we know that 9 times a number, give me 36. So it should be 4, right? Otherwise, you can confirm it by list the factor of 36. So 36, let me list them out. So 1 and 36, 2 times 18, give me 36, 3 and 12, 4 and 9, and then 6 and 6. That's it. So the 9 is one of them, and then 4. So therefore, the lowest common multiple of 9 and 4 is 36, right? So we just write, and you know that 2 is also in it, but 2 is not the number because the lowest common multiple of 2 and 9 is 18. So keep that in mind. We need the lowest common multiple of 9 and a number that give us 36. So the lowest common multiple of 4 and 9. Okay, keep that in mind. So therefore, the answer is 4. So there you go. I hope you got it correct. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How did you go? Let me go through them with you. The lowest common multiple of 2 numbers is 60. One of them is 12. What is the smallest possible value of the other number? Again, we just need to list out the factor of 60. And then we know that one of them is 12. So 12 times a number should give me 60. Okay, so it should be 5. Otherwise, you can list them out and you pair the 2 factor that time together give me 60. Okay, in this case. So for example here, 1 and 60, 2 and 30, 3 and 20, 4 times 15, give me 60, 5 and 12, 6 and 10. That's it. So now we know that 5 times 12 give me 60. So therefore the other number is 5. Okay. So you got therefore the number is 5. So there you go. Number 15. Annika is organizing a school event. Balloons are packed in sets of 6 and ribbons are packed in sets of 8. What is the smallest number of balloons and ribbons she can buy to have an equal number of each? So in other words, we just need to find the lowest common multiple of 6 and 8. That's all. So we just list the multiple of 8 out quicker. That's all. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, and so on. But you know that 24 is a multiple of 6 and 8, right? So therefore, 24 balloons and ribbons. So keep that in mind and hope you got it correct. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How did you go? Let me go through them with you. Question 16. 2 bells ring at interval of 4 minutes and 6 minutes. If they start ringing together at 12 p.m., at what time will they ring together again? So we need to find the common multiple of 6 and 4, the lowest common multiple. Okay, keep that in mind. So we start with 6, 12. So we stop there. 12 is multiple of 4 as well. So you go therefore 12 minutes later. Okay, so just let me write here 12 minutes. And they start at 12 p.m. So 12 minutes later. So that is 12 p.m. There you go. I hope you got it correct. 17. A bus arrives at the stations every 15 minutes, while a train arrives at 20 minutes. If they both arrive at the stations at 7 a.m., when will they next arrive together? So again, we just need to work out the multiple of 15 and 20. So let me just list the multiple of 20, or you can list out 15. And 20 is, we can work out quickly. Otherwise, you can start 15 so you can see the multiple of 20 easily, because 20 is have to be even number and end with 0. Just keep that in mind. So let me just quickly do 15, 30, and it's not multiple of 20, 45, 60. And we stop because 60 is multiple of 20. So this means that 60 minutes later, they arrive same time again. So we choose 1 hour if you wish. So they start together at 7 a.m. So an hour later would be 8 a.m. So there you go. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How did you go? Let me go through them with you. So we know that it comes with 18 cars and 24 trucks. So therefore, we just need to work out the lowest common multiple of 24 and 18. So let me just list the multiple of 24. Quicker, that's all. So 24, 48, and we add another 24 on top, 72, and we can stop here because 72 is multiple of 18. Otherwise, we can start 18 here. 36, add another 18, give me 54, and we add 18, give me 72. So there you go. So there you go, 72 toy cars and 72 trucks. So let me just write that down here. So therefore, 72. That will do. Number 19, the first student skips every 5 seconds, and the second one is every 7 seconds, and the third one is every 10 seconds. And please take note, we know that 10 is multiple of 5 as well. So in another word, we just need to work out the multiple of 7 and 10. That's all we need. Okay, so keep that in mind. So let me just list the multiple of 10. Okay, so we know that 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Only 70 is multiple of 7. So that is 70 is a multiple of 7, 10, and 5. So that is, therefore, 70 seconds later. Okay. So there you go. Question 20. So we know that the 2 billboards refresh. One is 9 minutes and the other is 12 minutes. So we need to work out how many minutes later and they refresh at the same time. So multiple of 9 and 12. So common multiple of 9 and 12. So we list 12. 12, 24, 36. We stop there. 36 is multiple of 9 as well, because 9 times 4 is 36. So therefore, 36 minutes later. So there you go. I hope you got all of them correct, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.